In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add animated captions in CapCut. Once you've opened your video inside the CapCut editor, start by looking at the toolbar on the left side of the screen. There, you'll see an option labeled Text. Go ahead and click on that. As soon as you do, the left panel will change and show you different types of text you can add to your project. You'll notice two main sections here: basic text and animated text. Since we're focusing on animated captions, take a moment to browse through the animated text options. These are often grouped into categories, such as subtitles, titles, or other themed styles. If you see a category you like, click View All under that category to reveal every style available in that group. This makes it easier to compare and pick the one that best matches the mood of your video, whether you want something subtle and clean or bold and eye-catching. When you've decided on an animated caption style you like, simply click on it once. CapCut will automatically add that animated text to your project. You'll see it appear in the preview window over your video, and you'll also notice a new text track added to the timeline below. This track represents when and where your animated caption appears during the video. To customize the text, click directly on the caption in the preview or select its track in the timeline. On the right side of the screen, a panel will open showing the basic properties of that text. Here you can type in the exact words you want to display, such as dialogue, titles, or key points. You'll also find options to adjust things like font, size, color, and spacing, depending on the style. Beyond the basic text content, you can fine-tune how the caption looks on screen. Under the transform or position settings, you can move the text to different areas of the frame, like lower thirds or center screen. You can also rotate it slightly if you're going for a more dynamic feel. To resize the caption visually, use the resize handles around the text in the preview window. Click and drag any corner in or out until it fits your composition nicely. Next, you'll want to control exactly when your caption appears. On the timeline, find the text clip you just added. To change its timing, click and drag the entire clip left or right along the timeline to match the moment in the video where you want the caption to show up. If you need the caption to stay on screen longer or disappear sooner, move your mouse to either end of the text clip. When the resize cursor appears, click and drag the edge outward to extend the duration or inward to shorten it. This lets you synchronize the animated caption perfectly with the spoken audio or specific action in the video. Once you're happy with the style, position, and timing, you've successfully added an animated caption to your video in CapCut. You can repeat the same process for additional lines of text or adjust and refine your existing captions until everything matches your creative vision. And that's it. Your video now has polished, animated captions that help your viewers follow along and stay engaged.